The UK distributors for this product, MST Parts Group, are going to bring to us the Expander. And actually from Expander, we have got Marcus Stenmark.
Yes, hello, thank you.
Well, it's great for you to join us, but I want to know, first and foremost, what is the Expander?
When they make the machines, they have these so-called straight pins. The problem is that when they put these pins in, you have to have a small tolerance. Because if it's a 50 pin, you can't have a 50 hole, because then it won't fit. After a while, when the wear has applied back and forth several times, the lug hole, which is this part,
Yep.
will become like an oval shape,
Okay.
which is a problem. The traditional way I should start with is actually that you weld into the holes, and then you have a massive bore machine. You just bore through the entire hole, and it takes a long time and it costs really much.
Okay.
So what we do is that we have this type of expander pin which fills the gap with a so-called sleeve. So how it works, just remove this so you can see. So you have a straight pin, but it's tapered. It's,
Okay, yeah.
you see, it's like a,
Kind of goes in almost into a cone shape
yeah,
at the end.
it's a cone shape, yeah. And you have this sleeve, which is cone shaped inside as well,
Okay.
and it's cut open. So when applied pressure to this, it will wander up and become bigger.
Okay, so when they kind of collide into each other, they do expand upwards.
Exactly.
Okay, so is that to create a tighter fit within the same hole?
Yeah. So you see, this sits in the slug hole. So when you tighten it, it will become bigger and then fill the gap.
Okay, so essentially, if people have the normal pins through their machinery, wear and tear creates this oval hole.
Yes.
If you then have to re-weld it and then bore a hole through it, it's time consuming
Yes.
and it's expensive.
Yes.
So instead, you get the expander, and because of its unique design in the way that it works, you can actually just fill that unusual shaped hole with that. Now, is that a permanent solution though?
Yes, this is a permanent solution. We have a 10,000 hours or 10-year warranty on this. So it's a long time.
And what are its applications? So where would you use this? What kind of equipment?
Basically, any machine that has a mechanical pivot. So you have, we apply this to bridges, to forestry machines, to excavators, every type of this type of mechanical pivots.
And right now, I mean, you're able to get this aftermarket, but there are some companies, aren't there, that actually integrate this into their use already. So who are they and how do they use it?
Yes, we have several companies who use this from the very start to eliminate the warranty because they have problems on these machines. So we have several types like John Deere, Volvo, Cat, Komatsu, just to name a few.
And is this a fairly newish product on the market?
No, the product has been around for 25 years.
Wow.
And it was invented in Sweden.
And I do believe down at the front, we do have some information on the expander. If you want to take a leaflet, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to. And there was also a use of the expander there, wasn't it? How it managed to save someone some time and money.
You can read in that paper there how they fitted it and how they saved money and time.
So this is essentially the art of pivot engineering.
Yes, it is.
Well, if you want to go and see Marcus and, of course, the expander, you can do it there.